Ayub Khan appointed Amir Muhammad Khan as governor of West Pakistan. Ayub visited US and Queen Elizabeth visited Pakistan in 1961. Ayub Khan visited USSR on April 3, 1965, US in 1961. Television started on November 26, 1964. Zafarullah Khan served as President of UN General Assembly's 7th session in 1962. Boundary agreement with China was signed in 1963. Agreement with Canada on first nuclear power station in Karachi was signed in 1965. Zia Bhutto served as FM in Ayub government. Convention League was formed by Ayub. 1965 war started from 6 to 22 September, 1965, Indo-Pakistani Wars. Defense Day is celebrated in Pakistan since 1966. Major Aziz Bhatti was martyred in 1965 war. Tashkent Pact was signed by Ayub Khan and Shastri on 3 Jan, 1966, USSR, Kosijan, Fatima Jinnah died in 1967. She was born on August 1, 1893. Kashmir Valley is B/W Big Himalaya and Little Kashmir Valley is B/W Big Himalaya and Little Himalaya. Length of Indus from Himalaya to Arabian Sea is 1980 miles. Ancient name of India was Aryawarat. LFO was promulgated on March 30, 1970 by Yahya Khan. The post of CNC was converted into the post of Chief of Staff in 1970. Second War between India and Pakistan, 3 to December 17, 1971. Last Commander of Pak, in East Pak, Abdullah Khan Nazi. PNSC established on March 1, 1979. PTV started its color transmission on December 20, 1976. Pakistan signed PTBT in 1978. Post of Commander-in-Chief changed to Chief of Staff in 1970. East Pakistan became Bangladesh on December 16, 1971. Simla Agreement signed B/W Bhutto and Indira Gandhi on 2 July 1972. Nationalization of educational institutions and industries in 1972. Nationalization of banks made in 1974. Denationalization of banks made on Jan 9, 1991, first MCB. PAC, Broadcasting Corporation established on Dis. 20, 1972. The Constitution of 1973 was enforced on March 1, 1973. PM under the 1973 Constitution is the head of the Cabinet. The first general elections under the 1973 Constitution were held in 1977. First biogas plant established in 1974. Ahmadis declared non-Muslims in 1974. Color transmission started on December 20, 1976. First electric train started in 1970. Steel mill founded in 1973, USSR aided, in Bin Qasim. Pakistan recognized Bangladesh in 1974. Pakistan joined OIC in 1974, NAM in 1979, PTBT in 1978, SAARC in 1985. Hudud Ordinance enforced on February 10, 1979. Dr. Abdul Salam awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1979. Faiz Ahmed Faiz got Lenin Prize. Genzia successed ex-President Fazal Elahi Chaudhry. In Dis. 1981, Zia-ul-Haq announced Majlis-e-Shura with 350 members. Zakat and Ushr Ordinance promulgated in 1980. Wafaqi Motasab was created in 1983. Eighth Amendment introduced in 1985. General Zia lifted martial law on December 30, 1985. Nuclear Cooperation Pact with China was made on September 15, 1986. Ajari camp tragedy occurred on April 10, 1988. The Juniho government was dismissed on May 29, 1988. Zia died on August 17, 1988. U.S. ambassador who died with Zia was Arnold Raphael. Pakistan's re-entry in Commonwealth in 1989. First test tube baby at Lahore in 1989. PTV2, 1992, PTV Morning, January 6, 1988, PTV Sep, 2000. Kargil crisis in 1999. Musharraf elected president, 10th, on June 20, 2001. Durand Line Agreement B/W Sir Martimur Durand the FS of Britain and Amir Abur Rehman, the Afghan ruler November 12, 1893 at Kabul, 2050 kilometers, 1,300 miles, HBFC was set up in Nov. 1952. First satellite Badri launched on July 16, 1990. On May 28, 1998 5 blasts made at Chachai, the day is known as Yom Akbar. On May 17, 1998 India blasted in Pokhran, Rajasthan. Pak, entered nuclear club on May 28, 1998. First Bank of Pak, equals Habib Bank. Defense Day equals 6th Sep, Defense Day of Pakistan is celebrated on Sep. 6 since 1966. Air Force Day equals September 7th, Navy Day equals 8th Sep, Kashmir Day equals 5th Feb, Friday was declared holiday in Jan. 1977. Ebodo promulgated in 1959. Prota came in 1949 to 1954. Wheat crisis occurred in 1952. Number of basic democracy was 80,000. GRI is surface-to-surface missile. ONSA is surface-to-air missile. Age of senator is 30. Age of PM is 35. Number of tribal areas is 11. Pakistan withdrew from SEATO in 1973. Pakistan left CENTO in March 1979. Capital of was shifted from Karachi to Islamabad on August 1, 1960. Indus Basin Treaty was concluded on September 19, 1960. CANUP was established in 1971. Tashkent Declaration was signed on January 10, 1966. Saudi King Shah Faisal visited Pakistan in the year of 1966 and 1974. Pakistan was suspended from Commonwealth on October 18, 1999. Mr. Ghulam Muhammad was Finance Minister before becoming Governor-General of Pakistan. Badri launched on July 16, 1990. First Agriculture University was established in Faisalabad. Pakistan joined SEATO in 1954 but later withdrew from it in the year 1973. Morarji Desai, former PM of India, was the only Indian leader awarded the highest award of Pakistan for a civilian.